Jill is 4y years old. Andy is now 5 times as old as Jill. How many years old will Andy be when Jill is 30 years old? Okay, this of course has to do with age, right? Now, whenever you have to do, when you do on question, when you work on questions that has to do with age, you know that it has to be what? Age difference will never ever change, right? That is something that you have to drill into yourself, okay? And then whether you're working on fractions, on parts, or ratio, percentage, even now algebra, if age is mentioned, usually you have to remember that. Will you use it in the end? Well, it depends on the question, but you must remember that rule. Age difference will never ever change. Okay, so now let's try to work this question out. Jill is 4y years old, so we have Jill. Okay, we have Jill, and she is 4y years old. All right, and then you have Andy, 5 times of Jill. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Okay, and so we know that the total here is 20y. How do I know? Because you take 4y times 5. 4y times 5, you glue it together. It's not 45y, it's 20y. Now, how many years old will Andy be when Jill is 30 years old? So some years will pass for Jill to be 30 years old. Okay, so you know what's the age difference between the two of them? Well, this model actually tells you the age difference. Where's the age difference? The age difference is actually here, isn't it? That's 16y. We know that Andy is 16y years older than Jill. Okay, so if Jill is 30 years old, so when Jill is 30 years old, then Andy must be same like Jill, 30 plus another 16y. Alright, so did you use the age difference did not change? Yes, you did. Okay, this is now, okay, 16y. The age difference is 16y. Many years later, the age difference will still be 16y. So that's why when Jill is 30, Andy must be 30 plus another 16y. Okay, and you can't say that this is 46y because they are in a different family. Okay.